Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? This is a vehicle we don't get in the store very often. We're lucky enough to acquire this vehicle. Take a look at this 2023 Toyota Sequoia Capstone in blueprint. This thing is loaded. HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, tow package, heated and ventilated front and rear seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, super low miles, only 8,000 miles on the odometer, 14-inch touchscreen, navigation, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.4 liter turbocharged V6 engine, so it's fast but still fuel efficient, just like most Toyotas are. If you have any more questions or for further details, visit us at marinocjd.com, search stock number D7822.